Will not it be easier if you could just write in a search bar with your S Pen? On the Galaxy S25 Ultra, there's a feature called S Pen to Text that lets you do exactly that. First, open any app where the keyboard appears. As the example, when you are using Google Search, then tap the settings icon above the keyboard. Scroll down the screen. Find S Pen to Text, then turn it on. Tap S Pen to Text. Here you can also enable show writing toolbar. With this on, when you write in a text field, you will see a small toolbar that gives you quick tools like emojis, space, backspace, and more. Still in this menu, you will notice the how to edit button. Tap it to see a tutorial on editing text with the S Pen, like scratching out a word to erase it or drawing a vertical line to insert a space. Now try it out. Open any search field like in Google Search. Remove your S Pen and then write directly with it. Your handwriting instantly becomes tight. If needed, you can also edit the text easily. For example, scratch out the word to erase it or draw a line between letters to add a space. There are several editing gestures, so you can fix mistakes without switching to the keyboard. Given to the function, this is perfect for search bar, address field, and other text areas. With S Pen to Text, your Galaxy S25 Ultra makes handwriting as powerful as typing, but way more natural. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.